Hi, and welcome to my final presentation on big data. So what exactly is big data? All websites define it in different terms. One way is big data is a popular term used to describe the exponential growth and availability of data, both structured and unstructured. Another site says big data is a collection of data from traditional and digital sources inside and outside your company that represents a source for ongoing discovery and analysis. A common theme that I found within all definitions is that big data is difficult to store in traditional databases, difficult to process on standard servers, and difficult to analyze with typical applications. Doug Laney has articulated the now mainstream definition of big data. Big data is high volume, high velocity, and high variety information assets that demand cost-effective, innovative forms of information processing for enhanced insights and decision making. The first part of its definition are the three V's. Volume refers to the amount of data. This includes transaction-based data stored through the years, unstructured data streaming in from social media, and amounts of sensor and machine-to-machine data being collected. Velocity refers to real-time analytics, the rate of change, and linking data sets together that have different speeds. Nowadays, data is streaming at an exponential speed. RFID tags, sensors, smart metering, and data sharing between devices are driving the need to deal with torrents in real time. Variety refers to the number of different types of data. It isn't just numbers, dates, and strings. Big data is also 3D data, audio and video, and unstructured text, including log files and social media. Even though those are the first three, many organizations add a fourth V to this definition. Veracity, which refers to the trustworthiness of data. With many forms of big data, the quality and accuracy are less controllable, but with new technology to analyze big data, we are learning how to manage this information. So the second part of his definition is to find the cost-effective and innovative form of information processing. So for this part, you have to think about the technology capabilities to store and process unstructured data, to link different types of data, origins and rates of change, and to perform comprehensive analysis. Trying to do this would be expensive and time-consuming. Finding a cost-effective way is your best solution. We talk a lot about unstructured and structured data, but really, what is it? So unstructured data comes from information that is not organized or easily interpreted by traditional databases or data models, and typically it's text-heavy. Metadata, Twitter tweets, and other social media posts are good examples of unstructured data. Multi-structured data refers to a variety of data formats and types and can be derived from interactions between people and machines, such as web applications or social networks. An example is the weblog data, which includes a combination of text and visual images, along with structured data like form or transactional information. So after you get an understanding of the three V's and sometimes four, you have to find the cost-effective way to analyze so you can move on to the most important part of the business, results. Learning how to identify problems, read and analyze big data technologies while these technologies are always evolving and changing is the goal. Companies are always looking to their data for actionables. With the right platform analyzing big data, the benefits could be great. You could get improved sales, increase efficiency, improve operations, improve customer service, and improve risk management. With benefits, though, come the challenges. The volume of data, the amount of different formats of data collected across an organization, and the different types of data that can be combined, contrasted, and analyzed is overwhelming. However, it all can be managed. Step 1 is to break down the data silos to access all data you store in different places and different systems. Then create a platform that can pull in unstructured data as easily as it is to pull structured data. So what does this all mean? Being able to analyze big data is becoming easier as technology develops and corporations understand better how to do so. The result can be life-changing. According to Datamation, today's advances in analyzing big data allow researchers to decode human DNA minutes, predict where terrorists plan to attack, determine which gene is most likely responsible for certain diseases, and which ads you're more likely to respond to on Facebook. So what are you waiting for? Like Zig Ziglar, the motivational speaker, said, every choice you make has a result. So take the first leap into big data and find out all the possibilities that could be awaiting you. Thank you for listening to my presentation today, and I hope you learned something about big data.